Hello, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to make CHEBE butter for hair growth. Yeah, so here we have our coconut oil and our extra virgin olive oil. My hair don't really like coconut oil because when I put it much, it really dry out my hair and it inch my scalp. But we are going to put a little bit. And you can see the raw African shea butter is so creamy and yeah. So I really love African shea butter because my hair love it also. It make my hair well moisturized for longer time. Those of us that have the high porosity hair that need a lot of moisture because the hair dry easily. So you can see how I'm doing it now. I did not put much coconut oil, just 1 spoon. So don't leave it too long, just 10 or 15 minutes, then you can take it down from your gas. You don't want it to stay long time so all the nutrients will not go out. So I bought this bottle girl just for this special occasion. So you can see how I'm going to make sure I filter it, so because normally it have some residues. You are not going to put it in your hair like this because the residue will give you we really make some build up in your hair. So it's good for you to filter it like this. And why I do it like this, I'm going to leave it until the next morning. So here now we are in the next morning. It's almost like 12 or 13 hours I left it. So I always love to use my measuring cup. Now you can see me putting the CHEBE, the African raw butter, So I'm going to take as much as I want, not too much. You can see, because when I put too much, it will be too much for me. So I just need something that will last for 5 or 6 months. Then I will make another one. So at this time, I'm also going to make sure I melt the raw shea butter because it's good that you melt it before adding your other oils that you have. So I hope that this video will really help you. Please pay more attentively because a lot of people has been asking how to do it. So this tablet you see me putting in now is biotin tablets. Those of you that know biotin promotes hair growth, but this is the type we normally find here in Deutschland. I live in Germany. So this one you can find it in pharmacy, that is apotheker. And those of you that know where it's called Edika and Rosma, you can also find it there. And you can see me putting my MSM. MSM also promotes hair growth. I normally drink this MSM, put it in water added with vitamin C and drink it. I'm going to link the video below how MSM helped me with my hair growth. I'm going to link the video below. So right now we are putting our CHEBE oil. I did not add all the CHEBE oil because it's a lot. So I'm going to keep this one for another time. So this oil I want to put now is Fenugreek Seed Oil. This Fenugreek Seed Oil is also mixed with MSM and also tea tree essential oil and peppermint essential oil and vitamin E. I made it myself also. It promotes hair growth. So that's why I'm putting it inside. And I also made this caffeine oil. And those of you that don't know how to make caffeine oil, the video is in my channel. I'm also going to link it under the description box below. It promotes hair growth and I also use it sometimes for hot oil treatment. It makes my hair really soft and manageable. And this is my Amla oil. I bought it newly. It's like 1 week now I started using Amla oil. I also see some results in my hair. So I decided to add the oil also together with this CHEBE butter mix I want to do. All this oil I'm putting now, they promote a lot of hair growth. You see that caffeine oil, I mix it with so many oil like like almond oil, coconut oil, all kind of essential oil, everything, and also MSM. I mix it together. Yeah, so I'm also going to put a few drop of peppermint oil and also a few drop of tea tree essential oil. Yeah, because all these things promote hair growth. Like this CHEBE butter will be just like, a very fast hair growth. Honestly, it make your hair manageable, it make your hair soft, it make you retain length. Your hair will not grow overnight. When you are retaining those lengths, then you will see the improve. So now I'm putting it in my refrigerator for like 20 minutes, and it's also strong now. So now I'm going to take it out and start using my hand mixer to mix it, and this process will take me like 20 or 25 minutes. And I hope that the way I'm explaining it, for some of you that has been asking, I hope you will understand and do it your own. Just buy your CHEBE butter, CHEBE powder. Where I bought from Amazon. I'm going to put the link also under the description box. I bought it together with the cacao oil, but I did not put cacao oil in this mixture. The cacao oil is still intact. I have not used it. Yeah, I bought the CHEBE powder and the cacao oil all together. I bought it 29 euro. I don't know the amount it will be in your own country currency, but I bought all together with the shipping 29 euro. So I hope you will enjoy this video, that you will, yeah, understand it. And after this clip, I'm also going to put a little clip about how I use it to moisturize my hair. This is sealing. When you have your Cantu shea butter or any other moisturizing cream you want to use to moisturize your hair, you use this as sealing. So when you use it as sealing, it's a very thick butter. It will make your hair moisturize for longer time, more than 1 week or 2 weeks. And when you take down your protective style, you will see your hair very soft and manageable, and you will retain length. And those of you that suffer from shedding, my hair shed a lot lately, and with this I will able to minimize my shedding and also retain that length. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I love you. Keep watching, and see you again in my next video.
Time and circumstance don't always work in our favor. What might have been if we just had the chance is something we may never know. But God looks down and sees. He knows us better than we do. He sees what we are and what more we could be. It's all in the way that we go. He values all of us, no matter what talent or gift we possess. He wants each one of us to be as caring as He is. So you're my friend, 'cause you're always there through our ups and downs and through all we've shared. And I'm there when you need someone, when things are hard to bear. I'll be the friend you need. You can count on me. We weep with those who weep, sharing the things that we're feeling. But sometimes our tears may be all that can speak, expressing what words cannot say. Troubles can bring us down, you're always there through our ups and downs and through all we've shared. And I'm there when you need someone, when things are hard to bear. I'll be the friend you need, you can count on me.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can see that what I use to moisturize my hair is Cantu shea butter. This is what I normally use. Cantu is one of my best products. It really make my hair soft and manageable. And when I use it, I use the CHEBE butter I just did now as sealing, so my hair will moisturize for long. I've been taking this protective style for more than 2 weeks now. Because of the shedding I normally have lately, maybe there is something I'm using that my hair is rejecting. That's why, yeah, I try to make sure I did this CHEBE, because CHEBE butter help in retaining length, and it also help the hair very very soft, and yeah, it also reduce shedding. Yeah, so why I use it to moisturize my hair, you can see my hair is very thick, like I'm just struggling to put this protective style. It's really a tough journey. It's very thick. Yeah, and but after some weeks, if I took down my protective style, my hair will be more manageable, because yeah, CHEBE really make hair soft and less shedding and also manageable. You can comb your hair through without any stress while using any product mixed with CHEBE. And I hope this video really help you. If you have your question, feel free to put your comment below. Don't be shy, okay? I will pick your question from the comment section and I will answer you, okay? And you can also do this if you have your CHEBE powder. You also have the African raw shea butter. Why not? You can do it, and you will really enjoy while seeing your hair growing, retaining length, and soft and manageable. I love you guys, and see you again in my next video.
Time and circumstance don't always work in our favor.